Place your palms and fingers at your head level and elbows perpendicular to shoulders. On an inhale, raise your head as high as possible. Try to lengthen your spine. Hold. On an exhale, lower your chest and chin down on the mat. Repeat it for the second time by raising your head high. Exhale, lower your chest and chin down. This can be repeated from 3 to 5 times as per your requirement. Get ready with your palms on the mat at your shoulders level and keep your feet together if possible. Now raise your head to Cobra pose on an inhale and push your shoulders down. On an exhale, drop down your chest and chin on the mat. For an option, you can spread your legs at your hips level and try it for the second time on an inhale. Exhale down on the mat. You can tuck your toes on the mat to release the tension of your toes, ankles and calves. Now tuck them back and resume your practice. This asana for lower back can be practiced from 3 to 5 times as per your requirement. Now place your palms under your thighs and ready to practice another pose for your lower back. On an inhale, raise your right leg with your knee straight. Exhale down. Now left leg up on an inhale. Exhale down on the mat. Repeat it for the second time. Right leg up on an inhale. Exhale down on your mat. Complete your round with your left leg up. Exhale down on the mat. If you can't raise your legs so high, then do it at 30-degree angle from your mat. Repeat it 3 to 5 times each side. One more effective pose for your lower back. This is also known as crocodile pose. To practice this asana, keep your palms under your chin and fold your legs one by one on an inhale. Try to bring your heels closer to your hips and then drop it back on the mat when you exhale. Repeat it 5 to 10 times each side. Fold your legs and keep your feet together. And now open your arms at 180-degree angle, keeping your feet together. Exhale, bend your knees to the right side of your body and try to look at your left hand fingers. Inhale back to center. Exhale, bend your knees to the left side and try to look at your right hand fingers. Inhale back to center. While practicing this pose, keep your knees joined and heels together and practice it at the pace of your breath. Fold your legs and keep the feet at your hips width. Open your arms to form 180-degree angle. Bend both the knees over the left side on an exhale. Here you will find left knee on the ground and right knee just below your left sole on the ground. Inhale back to center. Exhale, bend your knees to the right side. Right knee on the ground and left knee on the ground just below your right sole. Inhale back to center. Exhale, left side. Inhale back to center. Exhale, both the knees over the right side. Inhale, center. Bend your knees. Cross your right leg on top of your left so there is not so much space between your legs. And take your arms to side at 180-degree angle. Inhale. Now on exhale, knees drop over the left side and arch your back. Inhale, bring the legs to center. Exhale, knees over to the left side. Inhale, back to center. Last time, drop your knees, arching your back. Now switch your legs and repeat over the right side at the same pace of your breath. Left leg up and lower your left foot down to form a 90-degree angle. With your right palm, push left knee down to the ground. On an exhale and arch your back. Now on an inhale, back to normal. Repeat with the right leg. Exhale, push your right knee to the left side on the ground. Inhale, back to center.